export value of titanium concentrates from Vietnam mining sector is increasing up to 40 to 50 million US dollars a year. By cooperating with Vimluki, we have successfully invested in using the mining and processing equipment for titanium beach sand. The equipment manufactured by Vimluki are suitable with Vietnam mining conditions and brought high economic effect. The significant achievement gained from the projects of mining and processing the titanium placer from beach sand has created the comprehensive development on scientific and technological capacity from mining to downstream processing of titanium placer from beach sand. On August 30th, 2005, Vietnamese President Trần Đức Lương decided to award the National Scientific and Technological Award in 2005 to the Project Group of Research and Application of the Technologies in Equipment Manufacturing for Mining and Processing the Titanium Minerals of Vietnam. For 15 years since the foundation of the Vietnam Titanium Association to now, the Vimluki has contributed a significant and active role to the development of our association. Especially is the linkage role between the association members. During the most difficult time, the Institute has together the member units carry out the research, survey for mining of almost all the ilmenite mines in the country. The Institute has helped the association members in downstream processing research according to the spirit of the Decision number 104 issued by Prime Minister on exploration, mining and processing of the titanium minerals of Vietnam from 2007 to 2015 and orientation to 2025. Not only standing at the scientific technological fields, the Institute has promoted the manufacturing of the mechanical equipment providing to provinces in the country as a mineral companies in Thừa Thiên Huế, Hà Tĩnh, Khánh Hòa and Cao Bằng. The main equipment is spiral separators with 4, 5, 7 double spirals, magnetic separators, electric separators, rotary kilns, their spare parts and technological transfer. Besides, in order to improve the income and the living level for the staff, the Institute has carried out the other services as metal processing, casting, mineral processing. The Institute staff included the number of doctors, engineers graduating from abroad. Up to now, the Institute has cooperated with many foreign projects as cooperation with Sweden in Industrial Environmental Project, cooperation with Gruber Institute of Russia in Takhe Iron Project, cooperation with Chalco in preparation of pre-FS on bauxite mining and alumina production from the Đắk Nông bauxite mine, cooperation with Chile in scientific and technological sector, organization of the seminars on environment with Korea, on bauxite, aluminum with China, Australia and Germany.
Đảng bộ khoa học, Viện Khoa học và Công nghệ Mỏ luyện kim.
The party cell of Vimluki is one unit that has maintained the activities with glorious historical tradition over the last 40 years. The party cell is always leading and instructing its activities in orientation of close connecting the professional work with the politic duties as scientific research, consultancy, design and other services to serve the national and sector scientific studies. It is known that the harmony of the party with the authorities, labor union and youth union is a foundation that creates the strength of the Institute. This is also a good tradition of the Institute. Recognizing that the labor forces play a significant role in the development of the Institute, the postgraduate training, improving the politic and management knowledge, training for technical workers, study tours in country and overseas are always interested in. Training for improving the operation, trade and professional management skills are regularly organized. With the close interest of the Institute's leaders, the good awareness of the staff in the training environment extended to the scientific and technological staff that equipped with experiences in the practical production, the Institute has created a staff with high professional levels.
Trong những năm vừa qua,
in recent years, the labor union always contributes the practical ideas to the leaders, as well as to the party, introduces a lot of outstanding persons for the Communist Party unit. The development of new members in the labor union is always done on time. In recent years, a lot of teams and persons were granted the award certificates, medals for the development of labor union. Especially in 2006, the labor union of the Institute has been granted the comprehensive outstanding emulation flag. The interest in the living conditions, sharing the difficulties in the work and in the life of the Institute staff has created the unique strength of vimluki over the last 40 years. With a strong solidarity, all the staff members of the Institute have overcome all difficulties, challenges, contributing a solid foundation for the development of vimluki Institute. In the southern of the country, the South Institute of Mining and Metallurgy Science and Technology is representative of vimluki at Ho Chi Minh City, which is also contributing a significant role in the development of the Institute. Many mining and metallurgy scientific and technological projects have been studied and applied in the south of Vietnam, which was done here by the staff of the South Institute. The South Institute has started in producing the non-ferrous metals, secondary metals, alloys with high quality, and transfer of technology into production with high economic effect. Vimluki has achieved a lot of fruitful successes on its road to development.
Những năm tiếp theo đây,
in the next few years, the company will move to the new production, as in the business license of a company, many businesses are registered. We may move to producing other alloys as chromides, titanium, molybdetes, rare earth, which are the elements that are not allowed to be produced now. The high moral value awards that the Institute was granted by the government for 40 years of scientific and technological activities are: in 1982, Labour Order 3rd Class. In 1987, Labour Order 2nd Class. In 1997, Labour Order 1st Class for the first time. In 2002, Labour Order 1st Class for the second time. In 2005, Emulation Flag of the Ministry of Industry. In 2006, the Emulation Flag of the Government. In 2007, the Independence Order 3rd Class. The scientific and technological achievements in recent years. In 2002, the Phancuoi Award. In 2003, Useful Solution Award of the Ministry of Industry. In 2004, the Phancuoi Award. In 2005, National Scientific and Technological Award. Vimluki staff is aware deeply that it should try more to overcome the challenges in the coming time. In the specific condition that reform of the organization structure and the management manner for the Institute in the stage of entering into account, according to the Government Decree No. 115, should be done. With the leading of the Communist Party Committee, the Institute leaders, in cooperation with the instruction of Labor Union Executive Committee, Youth Union, all staff members of the Institute have promoted their abilities and inner forces and will try more in the future time for the continuous development of the Institute. The solidarity tradition of the Institute over the last 40 years will be maintained and promoted. Being a developing country, Vietnam has its own advantages. These are the inheritances and benefits from the creative results of the developed countries and economies. One more important thing is that, based on these foundations, we know how to use the suitable technologies, create the new initiatives for more innovative and improvable for the activities and development of the national economy. with the interests of the party, government, and based on their own knowledge, self-motivation and aspiration, Vimluki Institute is growing and contributing more and more to the social development. Now the doctors, engineers, technical staff of the Institute are not only the labor forces of the society, but also significant subjects who decide the prosperity of the country. More than ever, the roles of the doctors, engineers, technical workers are highly expected. The leader's board of the Institute, as a captain, is rowing the scientific and technological boat on the integration sea. This boat will spread sail and go ahead by the strength of the creative and innovative ideas.